This is a public announcement from Marlex Apartments, London. Luxury 3-bed apartment in Talisman Tower, Canary Wharf, now available for Airbnb. Experience refined living on the 28th floor of the iconic Talisman Tower in Canary Wharf. This fully furnished move-in ready apartment offers 3 spacious bedrooms, 2 sleek bathrooms, including a spa-style ensuite, stylish open-plan lounge and kitchen with premium finishes, floor-to-ceiling windows with breathtaking docklands and Thames views, private balcony for moments of peace above the city, smart TV, high-speed Wi-Fi, washer, dryer. All bills included part of a prestigious development with 24/7 concierge, secure entry and lift access. Steps from South Quay DLR, Canary Wharf Station, riverside walks, fine dining and luxury shopping. Perfect for professionals, couples, digital nomads or families. Minimum stay, 1 month to 1 year. Contact Marlex Apartments. Call 077 10 632 322. Email marlexapartments@gmail.com.
No more crying, just saying hallelujah. Hallelujah. I'm singing hallelujah, stress is gone. Hallelujah, yeah. Life at Marlex feels so strong. Hallelujah, yeah. Summer breeze, balcony sway. Marlex apartment got you covered, that's a guarantee. My life's so sweet, studio view can't beat. Marlex apartment fave playlist on repeat. Cause yeah, Marlex, hallelujah. I'm not thinking about you, just Marlex apartment. So funny how, since you've been gone, I'm signing a lease. Hallelujah, with Marlex apartment.